Hey, Sergio here with Sixtos Elite. New Year is almost upon us, and a lot of the New Year's resolutions that people have are how to make extra money. I mean, how could it help you? Everybody wants extra money. It helps you live comfortably. So today I'm going to be going over 5 websites that can help you earn an extra $100 a day in 2022. Now, let's dive right into it. I'm not going to give you any fluff. I'm not going to give you any BS. I want to go right to it. Now, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, or go watch any of the past videos. I give a tons of great value. And at the end of this video, if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to show you the number one program that I like, the number one program that helped me. So let's dive right into it. The first one I'm going to show you right here is actually called Clickbank. Many of you have probably heard it. If you haven't, Clickbank pretty much is a place where there are a ton of companies that you can actually partner up with and promote. Yes, companies will pay you to market their products. It's crazy, right? Right here, basically there are a ton of categories or niches that you can choose from. The top 3 I will tell you are money, fitness, and relationships. Those are the top 3 I recommend, especially for a beginner. You can even find them here. So, for example, you can actually go to e-business, e-marketing, or health and fitness. And when I speak about relationships, it can be about how to be a better father, how to be a better husband or wife, things like that, how to be a better parent. That's a big, big niche. But for this one, I'm just going to stick real quick to, health and fitness. If you click on a category, it's going to take you basically to the next page, and it's going to show you all of the companies that you can partner up with and promote. So you can do this freely using social media. As simple as finding a product such as this one called JavaBurn. The average conversion rate is $116. That's pretty much the average of what somebody pays. If you want to promote it, they will give you about, more than likely, 75% of commissions. That's what I've noticed on Clickbank. So basically, there it goes right there, 75% commissions. If you partner with them, I'm gonna put my little account nickname, and you generate this hop link. This link right here will be your affiliate link. That will be the link tied to you to go market on social media or on blogs or on Pinterest, wherever you choose to do it at. Again, if you stick with me to the very end, I will show you the program that can actually teach you the skills that you need to go out and do this. But if you earn 75% of that, this is what, $116 product. I'll pull out my calculator, minus 75%. That's about 87. That's about 87 bucks. So you would earn about $87. Now, if you wanted another one, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. This one sells like crazy. 142 minus 75% commission that goes to you, you would make 106 bucks. So this is one good website to stick to because it has a ton of programs you can partner up with, you can be an affiliate for, and all you have to do is market for them. You just have to drive one customer to their sales page and they will do the rest. It's very hands off. That's why I tell people, look, if you have a 9-to-5 job, a graveyard shift, whatever it is, you can do this in your spare time because you don't have to do the selling. All you have to do is create some simple content. It'll drive them to that Okinawa Flat Belly sales page. They will do the selling for you. The second website, JvZoo. JvZoo is pretty similar to Clickbank. Same thing. You can create a simple account. It's very, very free. They usually pay you with PayPal, pay you through PayPal. So let's say you earn 500 bucks, they will pay you through PayPal. Affiliate payments made easy. Again, so it's similar to Clickbank in the way that you can just find different products in different categories. So it's tons of resources. There are tons of opportunities. And the cool thing is they will give you the resources to promote their products. Third website is WarriorPlus. WarriorPlus, once again, is like JvZoo. It's like Clickbank. So let's say you go to Clickbank or JvZoo, you don't have a product that you like, that you feel like you can promote, you can go over to WarriorPlus, free to create your account. It is totally free to create it. It's totally free to partner with the programs. And again, you don't have to spend any additional money running ads. You do it for free on social media, do organic marketing. And the program that I'm going to refer to you, I'm going to leave a link down in the description for it. They show you, they teach you the correct ways to do this. I started with them when I had no experience, and it's been awesome. I've been able to make quite a bit of money. I've been able to quit my job because of the skills that I learned with that same program. Now, these three are pretty similar. The other one is Fiverr. Fiverr, I love Fiverr because you can pretty much find anything on here. Fiverr is basically a freelancing website where you can find gigs. Like, let's say you want somebody to create an image for you, you can find someone that does it here. Or if you have certain skills, let's say you're into music, video animation, writing, you can actually become a partner with Fiverr and upload your gigs on here. I've personally done it myself. I know it works. Guys, I didn't clear that up in the beginning, but these methods that I'm showing you are ones that I've done myself. So I know they work. I know they work. You just have to put in the work for it. And again, you have to learn the strategies and the skills to be able to do this correctly. The link's down in the description for that. If you find this video valuable whatsoever, drop a like, please. But let me go in through Fiverr. Let me show you how crazy it is. This man right here is getting paid $35 just to do happy birthday songs with a banana. If that man can make some money, why can't you? Why can't you? The possibilities are endless here. Another happy birthday one with a custom message. The cool thing is, these are tiered level things. You can start off by offering a product at $35, $5, $10. But then you can actually do up the scale. So you start off like at $5-10. Your next level package can be 20. The final one can be 40. You know, it's a value ladder. So it's cool. It's very, very cool. That's what I like about Fiverr. This is something you can easily earn even an extra $1,000 to $3,000 a month if you just stick with Fiverr. Let's go to the last one here. The last one is Upwork. Oh man, I love Upwork. I actually landed a few gigs on here myself about affiliate marketing. There's companies on here, they will pay people because they don't have time to do the tasks themselves. There's IT, there's designing, there's translating. Basically, business owners, they will go on here looking for people to do their small tasks for them. You can easily earn an extra $100 here a day, and you'll work at it at your own pace. You make your own schedule on Upwork. So if you didn't want to work a full-time job no more, you can make your full-time schedule here and make it as flexible as you want. You doing different gigs that you thoroughly enjoy. It's crazy. It's that the sky's the limit, honestly. I know someone that I partner with. He landed a 6-figure contract on here from a company that wanted him to build out their whole marketing department. Someone else, they did a gig on here doing voiceovers. So your only limit truly is yourself. If you really want to make money in 2022, get the high income skills you need. Go on Clickbank, partner up with companies here, or JvZoo, or WarriorPlus. These companies right here will pay you to market their products. They will pay you the commissions. Some of them big commissions. Here, you can use the skills that you have now or your experiences, whether it's just knowing happy birthday to get paid. Upwork, you can go find different gigs, freelance gigs. Again, if you like this video, drop a like. If you haven't already subscribed, I'm dropping value every other day. If you want to partner up with a company that taught me how to market any company, any product, any tool, I'm leaving the link down in the description. You can learn how to build up your own side hustle in 2 weeks or less. And after that, you can even partner with that same company that I did. I've been able to make over $50,000 in commissions with them. I'm not able to show you right here because of the income disclaimers that they make me sign. Basically, it's under contract. I'm not able to show you the actual income, but I hope you take my word for it. I've been able to make over $50,000 just with that one company because I took their skills and I applied them. I put in the work. If you're someone that's not going to be putting in the work, I'm sorry to tell you, but you probably won't make money. This is something where you can actually learn the skills, apply them, and get paid. And you can get paid big money. I was a school teacher for 5 years. I was able to quit my job in a matter of 10 months because I took the skills and I ran with it. I had no experience. I was a total beginner. And now I'm trying to pass the message on to you so you can actually have a new opportunity, a new door, whether you're a college age person, whether you're about to retire and you want something new, whether you're tired of your own business or your own job, this is for you. Single parents, I've helped single parents with this same thing. So go check it out. The link is in the description. You can set it up in 2 weeks or less. You can even partner with them after the training is all done. They have pretty much trainings every morning that are live, and it's very, very inexpensive to join. So go check it out and stick with me because I'm going to be dropping value bombs every other day. So take care, guys. This was Sergio.